Alright, so this question says on a circular path of radius 6 meter, a boy starts from point A on the circumference and walks along a chord AB of length 3 meters. Then he walks again in another chord BC of length 2 meters to reach point C, and point B lies on the minor arc AC, and we need to find out this distance AC. So first of all, this question is categorized in the topic of both geometry as well as trigonometry. You need to know some concepts of solution of triangles as well as some compound angle formulas to solve this question. So before you attempt the question, you should be able to draw the diagram properly. So let's first draw the diagram. Here we have a circle. Then in the circle, so the radius of the circle will be around 6 meters. And it is said that AB is of length 3 meters. So let's try to draw it. Let's say this is AB that we have of 3 meters. And we have BC, which is even smaller. Let's say this is BC, which is of 2 meters. We need to find out AC. We need to find this out. All right. So this is 3 meters. AB is 3 meters. BC is 2 meters. We need to find this out. Let's consider this to be, let's say, L, right? And if we have this angle as X and this angle as Y, then what will be this angle? This angle will be 180 minus X minus Y degrees. If I consider this angle as X degrees and this angle as Y degree. Now we are going to apply the sine rule for triangle ABC. Okay. So what was the sine rule again? If we have a triangle ABC with sides small a, small b and small c, and the angles as capital A, capital B, capital C, then we had A by sine A equals to B by sine B equals to C by sine C, which is equal to 2 times the circumradius of that circle. So if we do this for this triangle, we have 3 by, that is AB, by the opposite angle, that is sine Y, is equals to 2 by the opposite angle, that is sine X, and which is equals to L, that is our angle, sine of 180 minus X plus Y. And this will be equals to 2 times the circumradius of the circle. What is the circumradius of the of this triangle? The circumradius of this triangle will be 6 meters. So this will be 2 into 6. Now from here I can say sine Y is equals to 3 by 12, that is 1 by 4, and we have sine X, that is equal to 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6. So from here I can find out the value of cos Y. Cos Y will be root over of 1 minus sine square Y. Plug in the value of sine Y here. You are going to find out the value of cos Y as root over 15 by 4. And similarly, if you find out the value of cos X over here using this formula 1 minus sine square X, you're going to get root over of 35 by 6. So now let's use only this part of the equation. So we have the value of L equals to 12 times sine of 180 minus something is that something, sine of that something. So that will be sine of X plus Y. Here I have used this formula, sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So using that property we get this. Now from compound angles formula we know that sine of X plus Y is sine X cos y plus cos x sin y. Now we know the value of sin x, we know the value of cos y, we know the value of cos x, we know the value of sin y. Simply plug in the values and you will find out that the answer turns out to be root 15 plus root 35 by 2.